everyone! Welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. I'm Yoshimi. Today, I'm going to show you how to make ピーマンのツナ炒め. It's very simple dish using very simple ingredients, but the outcome is surprisingly delicious thanks to the canned tuna. At the end of the video, I will show you how I built a menu with this ピーマンのツナ炒め, so stay with me till the end. Okay, let's get started. These are what you need to make 4 servings. Some bell peppers, it's about 400 grams. Canned tuna, the one in oil. This one is 80 grams, but you can use more. 1 teaspoon of garlic paste. 2 teaspoons each of Chinese soup stock or chicken stock, sake, and sesame oil. Let's cut the bell peppers into strips. Cut into half. Remove the seeds and the pith. Press it and into strips. Same for the rest of the bell peppers. Heat a frying pan over medium to medium-high heat. No need to add any oil. You're using the oil in the canned tuna. Put tuna. And bell peppers. And just stir fry it until the bell pepper is wilted. Once it's wilted, add all the seasonings. Sake, sesame oil, Chinese soup stock, and garlic paste. And keep cooking for a minute. If you like, put some black pepper. Turn off the heat and it's done. Very easy. Let's serve in the bowl. And ピーマンのツナ炒め is ready to go. Time for the tasting. Itadakimasu. With the very simple ingredients list, you may think it can't be that good, but trust me, it's really, really good. This is how standard Japanese combo style meal looks. Rice, soup, main, 1 or 2 side dishes. ピーマンのツナ炒め is the side, so it goes here, and some sort of pickles, either store-bought or homemade for the other one. Plain rice here, And let's have miso soup here. Anything you like for the main, but how about tori no shogayaki and the meal is ready. I hope you enjoy. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up, so don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything. Bye.